there is a new glitch in Supreme Duelist Stickman. So you go ahead and try to get the map what I'm looking with that has a glitch. Here the forge, this one has a glitch where you just go pretty much over here, and then when it goes up, the AI will try to go over. Okay, hold on. Over this. Over this. When you're over here, and the AI will go over here. So that means when you get this map, it's basically a free win for you. So this is a money glitch map, especially when the AI actually falls for it. And it only works on hard ones. And then I just got a perfect spot. And it only works for hard bots. So if you chose medium or anything else easy, yeah, we need a hard. And also I'm gonna give it the worst weapon, I think. So don't be mad. Wait, that can knock me out. So I'm gonna just give him the shuriken, yeah. So when you're over here, you're above the bot, and it will try to, and it will probably get crashed. And that's free money for you. It's literally a free money grinder. Also try to get a block. Here we go. Oh, okay. Okay, this also works over here. So make sure to go up. Give them the worst weapons that cannot fly, and then boom. It's literally a money grinder. It's absolutely so OP. Oh, see that? And also there is more money grinders for this. First, when you go to 2 player, there we go. And you just make it through here. Control the other one, the main one. Yes, it gives you money, but it's pretty low. But also, you could select the yes, this one. It's a pretty unfair map because when you're falling, you cannot see these two ones. So you're pretty much done for and going to fall over here. But this easy one is about to die. Just watch this. You just AFK here. Yep. Okay, not gonna lie, it doesn't work, but it worked earlier. Like me, imagine I'm falling. I can't even see it. But there's more. Which is this map, the map 32. Also make all of them easy, yeah. For more kills. And there we go. There we go. Now all you got to do is use hammer. Use hammer on this because you can knock them out easily. Fling them to the spikes. This spike. Okay, watch this. Okay, I just completely missed. There we go, it's money grinder. And also it doesn't give you 2 plus, it gives you 7 plus. Yes sir. Oh come on, are you sorry about that, anger issues by the way. He just jumped and died. And also there is more. That is which is these are the maps that are for weakness for easy bots. Which is this one, map 33. It's a pretty small map, which when the bot jumps, it it's just gonna fall, so just forget about it. And the next one is going to be, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This, because the black one is actually pretty bouncy. It's very bouncy, and you can knock them out. Okay, he just juked me. And also, if you don't know how to use the hammer, just watch the creators' videos, guide for hammer. See, bro, and also that's why I show you this map. It's a pretty small map, and also there's another map for the weakness. Where is it? Where is it? Let me see the map. Okay, I thought that was the one. Yes, this one. And I don't even need to explain it, because y'all already know you can fling them out the lava. There we go. The next one is going to be, where is it? Yes, this one. Yeah, because this is so unfair for the easy bots, because the boat itself literally goes sinking down and then up. See that? Yeah, so unfair. And also, this map, when the game starts, just go to the hole, fling out your AI bot, and then go in here and just wait for them to die. But this does take a really long time, so I'm just gonna skip. And there we go. I think it's about to die. Wait, is it climbing? Wait, is it? Oh, it's so long. And the hitbox of the hammer is so large. You can hit. Wait, it can pass through walls? Are you serious? So this one is just pretty taking a long time, because it also only works for hard AI bots. Oh, hey! The next one is the dojo. And you can just do this, and I'm not even gonna explain this, because when you're using the hammer, you can fling them, and you know where they are going. And I think that's for all. If I miss anything, make sure to comment. Please comment. Also, there is still a lot of maps that is a weakness for the easy bot. So make sure to like and subscribe if this helped you grind money